Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA a little bit friendly today, above 2.3 cents again, but not yet back above the 78.6 retracement level. Highlighted to you in, I think, the last video that really to have a very first and early indication that GALA has indeed bottomed here, I would need to see a price break or the price break above the 78.6 retracement at 2.56 cents. That has to do with the idea that, first of all, we had a bit of support here, so it is typically resistance. So to avoid that, it's just simply retesting it and bound to bounce off and make another low. I need to see a break above that level as first indication that GALA has bottomed here in this possible wave 2, after a wave 1 was formed between December and end of January. In addition to that, I would need to see a 5-wave move to the upside. At the moment, I don't see that. And it has to do with the idea that when that 2.56 cent level broke to the downside and price crashed down, you could say, because it did lose around, I think was it 20% or even more, around about 30%. That was the 78.6 retracement level. Obviously, this is where the fear candle started, where the volume kicked in, and the break above that candle where the fear started is also considered something more bullish. However, at the moment, it's fairly bearish. Heading down, the downtrend has not stopped. Even the move up currently, the small rally, cannot be considered enough information to confirm that the trend is shifting back to the upside. So at the moment, I'm still viewing this as a 1-2 setup, counted as a WXY structure, as explained in the last video. If price makes one more low below the 1.8 cent level, then I think we are going to break below the 1.55 cent level as well, which is the December low. So one more low, that means, would basically invalidate the bullish setup, or it would at least, with a very high likelihood, lead to invalidation, and ultimately then GALA would be forming here an ending diagonal to the downside that would lead to a new low, because this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, this would be a wave 3, this could be a wave 4 triangle, and one more low in a wave 5, but ultimately making a new low, okay? But that also means that even if GALA makes another low, it could really be the last one of this entire correction, But the problem is, if GALA breaks below 1.55 cents, it will put it into a state of uncertainty again. From an Elliott wave point of view, after a 5-wave move to the upside, then looking for a 3-wave move to the downside to really confirm that the overall correction is done. After 5 up, you get 3 down, but it should stop at some point. And we have a WXY structure here, which could be bottom. The thing is, I'm counting it as complete, because if it's not complete, then it will most likely invalidate it anyway. Okay, so anyway, one more low will most likely lead to invalidation. And then we're talking about the bearish count a diagonal pattern. So what do we need to see maybe in a little bit more detail? Obviously, we saw a bit of a reaction to that low here, which was at round about 1.8 cents. But the move up looks very choppy, looks very corrective so far, and certainly only a 3-wave structure to the upside. And that's not enough to say and highlight it has bottomed. But again, if I see 5 waves up, we need to continue a bit above the 2.56 cent level. That's a good sign that things might be turning around. But at the moment, it's just way too early. And also volume is still dead, which also indicates that this correction might be getting close to its end, but it's, we don't have the volume that would support, for example, a 3rd wave rally yet. So anyway, if I see any change, I will I will make you aware anyway. I'll keep you updated. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.